Oki.
Tanche.
I'm Miss Jewison, and I'm the Indigenous Education Middle School teacher for Lethbridge School Division.
And I am Miss Morrow, and I'm the elementary Indigenous education teacher for Lethbridge School Division. Today, Miss Jewison and I are so happy to be participating in Noppy's Gift at the Mall. This year at Park Place Mall, Santa was not able to come and visit due to COVID. And so what Park Place Mall decided to do was to lend the space to these two organizations, Mom Stop the Harm and We Will Recover. These two organizations are led by First Nations people and supporters from Bikani and from Southern Alberta. They have put together lots of different booths and invited different organizations to be here in support of awareness of First Nations and Indigenous issues, as well as celebration of their culture, and just really an opportunity to get together and learn a little bit more about our First Nations people here in Lethbridge and our surrounding areas. So what our school division decided to do to participate in this event was to create 100 culture kits for kiddos in our city to learn a little bit more about a couple of different Indigenous cultures that live in our city, including the Blackfoot and of course the Métis and Cree as well. So inside our culture kits for kids, we've made a couple of different things. So we have a Blackfoot animal book, so kids can learn how to say our different animals that are local to Lethbridge in Blackfoot. We also have a teepee template with some skewers inside and some information about the teepee so you can build your own teepee. We have a Métis matching activity. We have a buffalo activity. There's a buffalo pin in there to symbolize that the buffalo is our education. We have a Blackfoot medallion and a Métis sash. So that's just a couple of items that are in our free culture kits for kids.